nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will cook instant patties. You will surely love how quick and easy this is, so let's start. We only need First, let's crack the eggs. Add salt and pepper, beat it, and set it aside. Now add some cooking oil to your preheated frying pan. Then saute the garlic and onion. We can now add our instant ground pork. Add salt and pepper and saute it until it dries out. Once done, let's add it to our beaten eggs. Mix it together. Using the same frying pan, add oil again. Use a ladle or a dipper to scoop it. Then fry it until golden brown. Flip it and do the same on the other side. You can make more pieces if you will make it thinner and smaller. It's now done and ready to be served. One can make 6 thick and large patties. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video.